Hi, I'm Frank, and this is Tim, and we're representing the digital business of Humanetics. And usually the first question we get is, who the heck is Humanetics? Humanetics is well-known or globally known for the inventor of the crash test dummies. That's what we are famous for. So crash test dummies are anthropometric test devices which have been invented 70 years ago for the aviation industry and are used in the automotive industry. And we have three big business pillars. The first one is we produce, develop, and sell our own hardware. These are the crash test dummies. The second one is we have our own division which is for sensors, because these crash test dummies are high-tech dummies. These are like small terminators. And the third one, which is the most important one of our business, that's where we are from, it's Humanetics Digital. In Humanetics Digital, we also have three big pillars. The first one is Ramses. That's what we are usually famous for. Ramses is a software which has been developed by the German automotive OEMs 30 years ago, and which is used for the automotive design, for the ergonomical part of the automotive design. Car manufacturers and also other industries like defense and aerospace, they use it to improve the well-being of the passengers and use it to cut the development time and, of course, to cut development costs. And how do we do that? That's why we are here. And the foundation of Ramses is our body data and body scanning business.
Right. And if it comes to body data and body scanning solutions, we are consider ourselves as an end-to-end provider, not only providing body scanning solutions, but also services, data collections around that entire topic. Right. I just want to introduce a couple of our solutions here. Certainly, we are very well known for our high accuracy 3D laser system, laser scanner, Vitus Body Scan. It's been around since many, many years, and it's still a gold standard in the research community, very well known. A new product that we have in our portfolio since early of this year is our portable solution, UntroScan Mobile 3D. It is really a nice tool whenever it comes to the place where somebody needs to go to the customer instead of having the customers coming in for a scanning session. With our partners IBV, by the way, we have a partnership since 2 years. We are offering here 4D scanning solutions, really giving the opportunity to take dynamic measurements, dynamic scan data, all in 4D. A software solution that we have available is the so-called Body Profiler. The Body Profiler simply needs a couple of inputs: age, gender, weight and height, and creates a measurement profile and the 3D avatar out of these inputs without the need of any video or photography. The core of all of that is certainly our measurement extraction software called UntroScan. We just released a new version of it with new cool functions like anonymization, interactive girth measurements, and so on. So this is really the core of, the core addition to our hardware is this software solution. Besides that, using all of those tools, the hardware and software tools, we are offering our customers customized data collections, plus sizes, children scanning, hand and feet scanning. So we have a big portfolio that we can offer to our customers. Doing that, or talking about that, we certainly also do, with our industry partners together, big sizing surveys, size Germany, North America, Italy, China, and so on. So that's also a core business, collecting new and up-to-date data to our customers. And by the way, I just had a talk yesterday about it. We are planning right now a new size survey initiative in Europe to be started next year, and we already invite our industry partners to participate and work with us to make it happen. All that data in the end that we are collecting, we are providing to the industry in our iSize portal. There you can analyze the measurements, you can optimize size tables, you can calculate market shares, and so on. So it's really a nice tool to have access in the end to all of that data that is relevant. And by having all of the data, that enables us to create standard avatar series. So we have the size Germany standard avatars. We have meanwhile size North America standard avatars. But also certainly not every brand is using standards, right? So we are also able to create individual avatars based on the measurements a brand wants to or needs to have, right? And in the end, once you have the avatar, certainly it's only one step more to have also a physical dress form, a physical fit form. Here we also have standard series, but can do that also on an individual basis. And in the end, certainly we provide all these individual products and solutions, but we have a very skilled consulting team that can do all of that also as a service, helping brands, helping the industry to either collect data, analyze data, or make sense out of the data, creating, optimizing a sales table, and so on. So that's also our consulting business. And that's basically, in a nutshell, very short, what we are doing and why we're here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.